frankly speaking, I'm a very serious scientist. I've dedicated 20, 30 years of my life to biology, to vaccines, immunology, infectious diseases, etc. And I'm, thanks God, independent. I'm telling you that we are at the eve of a huge disaster because the pressure that we are now exerting on the virus with those vaccines is just tremendous. Remember, we are not doing this like progressively. We are talking about mass vaccination, vaccinating millions and millions of people in an as short time period as possible. Can you imagine? And we think we can outsmart this virus. Come on. And we think we can make new vaccines against the variant strains. I mean, the virus is not going to wait till we have those vaccines ready. And I mean, so it's very, very clear. I know my message, people will maybe think I'm crazy, etc. But I think there is such compelling scientific evidence, right? To really conclude, and I invite, because I have been asking scientists, health authorities, to please start a debate on immune escape, but nobody is reacting. There is silence all over the place. But you see this paper, still this morning, I was reading a paper somebody sent me that now the immune escape is even expanding to other regions than the spike protein. That also when people who get a disease and ultimately recover, they recover to a large extent, not thanks to the antibodies, but thanks to the cellular immune responses. Now the virus being put increasingly under pressure is starting to introduce critical mutations in epitopes, antigens, that are responsible for inducing this protective cellular immunity that comes later, of course, and that's how people to a large extent can recover also from the disease. So it is, we cannot imagine this virus can mutate like hell, but normally it doesn't matter because if it doesn't select specific mutations, right, to bypass the immune system because there is no need for, then who cares, right? But now it's not doing it. It's doing this in a very, very selective way.